Previously on Our Lives, Our Reasons, Our Sanity. Dad spoke to the guy that is supposed to dig our foundation hole, and he said that he can't come. And we finally made the decision to just rent the same excavator that we did in the fall. So there's so much to be done in so little time. Winter's coming and no one's stopping it. Here we go. Gonna dig out the big maple. Now on to the video. Really? Is it that freaking high? Oh, we put two, right?
Gonna get it out, watch. Come here. I'm just making sure Papa can see us.
She is the massive thing that she is. Oh my god. This has been such a stress on us. It's not milk, it's my water. Okay, well then you have to go get it. So we're gonna take Dad's truck and get it to hold it up for him so that he can continue rolling it, because it just rolls back down in and there's just no way. So
okay, go forward. Hold. Damien, can you move? Just hold there. Do you want? Okay. Stay there. Wait. He wants you to try and drag it out a little bit. Wait. Now? Go ahead. Slow. Yeah, keep going. Go. Whoa! Unhook it. Can you back up a little bit?
To pick this sucker up. The camera just doesn't do the justice. The thing's huge, like so massive. It's so massive, but the camera doesn't do it justice. What? Just up the very corner, I guess. So we're just gonna put it up here because no clue where to put it. The thing's so big. It's gonna take us a long time to deal with it. Oh, you're losing it. Yep. Years and years and years. We'll deal with it later. Yep. Yep. There we go. It's no longer a problem. Okay, so we have all our stakes in so that we can dig to those lines so we don't remove our orange lines. So if you remember, I painted a orange line 3 feet out from where the actual lines of the house would be, because you have to have more than enough space to work on the outside of the foundation wall. So that's why we went with the orange ones and had to put them back in. So Dad's just filling in the hole as much as he can. And I guess we're gonna have to move that big stump. We were so busy worried about the maple that we kind of forgot about this one too, so.
What are you doing? Oh, pull it. Where are you pulling it to?
Okay, so he's got both holes pretty much filled in, and now we're gonna deal with this rock. We gotta make a retaining wall at the edge of the driveway, so we gotta pick out some rock that's gonna go there. So we picked out a bunch of rock over there, and now he's gonna start digging so that we can do a retaining wall along here where that orange line is. It's hard to see, but
chainsaw. It's a chainsaw.
Where's chainsaw, Daddy?
starting to don't mind this. It's really hot and I can't see because it's so bright. But no matter what we do, there's always something that goes wrong. So the excavator, the idlers, which is the little round guys that hold the track on. What? Oh, you don't need the water. Do you want to wash his hands? So that's what it sounds.
Daddy can help you.
I'm just trying to get away from the sound a little bit. Okay, so that sound you hear, the screeching, is the bearing going. And we were hoping that there was going to be a grease fitting and that it was just maybe a needed grease, but of course not. It's a sealed bearing, which means that they have to send someone out first thing in the morning to look at it. And yeah, I don't know. They offered to bring in the smaller one. Oh, that's gross. A smaller one, but the smaller one just won't do. So Dad's just gonna do a test hole up at the corner here to start pulling a rock out because it doesn't need to move, and then that'll be it for today, I guess. So just can't catch a break. Who needs one of those when you got one of those?
I want to scrape the topsoil off, but I don't want to run the machine.
I know. Not the greatest news. All this here you see is bedrock, which is not good because the corner of our house is up there. So this might all not be basement at all. So we might have to cut the basement here. Hey! Hey! That's my steak! a strange dog. Just laying right beside where Papa's gotta dig.
You can't do
Dad! Look at that.
Yeah.
Not a care in the world.
Yeah.
Diesel! Come here! You silly dog. What are you doing? Huh? Lay down here, silly.
Turn back, go back a little bit. That was two cops walking the beat talking to a bunch of students. And then I turned the corner and there was another cop talking to some other kid, and I heard the cop say, because we had the windows open, I heard the cop say, "Oh, you didn't see anything?" Oh boy.
Sun's going down already, eh?
Yep.
Well, that didn't take long.
These are getting shorter.